Hello kids, I'm Rocky from the Happy Homework Club, and today we're going to teach the drones about letter sounds. Let's see, the next letter is the letter O. What sound does the letter O make again? Let's tap on the speaker.
This is the letter O, and it sounds like oh, like an orange or an octopus.
Ackee,
Uh-oh, the drone got too excited and tapped on the Ackee. Ackee. That doesn't sound like oh. I know. Let's tap on this one.
Octopus, Octopus,
So this is what an octopus looks like. Wait a minute. Oh, octopus. I think this is it. Great job, kids. Octopus starts with O.